you know. I'll come back here this weekend and try to get a defrost cycle. Looks wet right there. From the street, it looked like it was frozen, so I came here and checked. But nope. None of them are gonna be on today, but I'll come back this weekend if I can. Caught a Lennox defrosting earlier today, and for some reason they cut the little netting off of it for some reason. It's cold out here, as you can see. Let's come out the door. Oh no. That Goodman sounds very unhappy. Very unhappy. That's blowing warm air on his fan. That's cold line. What the? That is bullshit. Why are you gonna run an AC in the freaking winter? I feel bad for this thing, to be honest. It pisses me off. You're gonna run an AC in the winter, be responsible. Come on. Iowa AC Productions is seen, like, listen to that thing. It sounds terrible. It's in cool mode. There's a Weather King and a Concorde. Another Concorde right here. My hands are freezing. Another Concorde. It's freezing out here, guys. And there's one more heat pump down here. Which isn't running. It's never running anyways. Is that ice I see on it? Hasn't been running, I don't think. That flag is scaring the crap out of me. But yeah, I'm going back in the car, guys. It's cold. I'll come back here this weekend and try to get a defrost. And hopefully they switch that Goodman in cool or heat mode. And it sounds like absolute crap. Get a replay. That Goodman sounds very unhappy. See you guys later.